Hey everybody, this is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive inside a 1988 Ford Thunderbird. She cleans up nice, don't she? If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel and click that little bell icon to turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any of our videos and you don't miss out on the car of your dreams. Now, the purpose of these virtual test drive videos is to virtually put you in the driver's seat, so no matter where you live in this world, you get a chance to see this car go down the road, how it drives. For all additional information, when we're done here, go on over to volocars.com. We have a couple hundred pictures, undercarriage, inside, outside, everything, the selling price, and a real detailed write-up. Our goal is to give you as much information as possible, so when you give us a call to purchase a car, you're knowledgeable, you're confident, everything goes smooth. All right, let's get on in here. Oh, these seats are really comfortable. And this car has 3,500 original miles, so I don't believe it's been restored. You'd have to check out Jay's write-up, but I think someone just loved their car, took amazing care of it. I mean, I'm not seeing any cracks, dings, or anything. And any of the interior looks really nice. So let's go ahead and start her up. It is your 5-speed manual. You got the radio up here. Radio works good. The air, same thing. Whoa, that blows out. Good pressure. Everything else, you have all your other gauges that you could want, your speedometer, tachometer, engine temp, oil pressure, all that happy stuff. Let's see what else. Oh, power windows, power seats. I mean, gotta love it. Right here, tilts, goes down. I love this. So yeah, without further ado, this is the first time myself or anyone from the shop gets a chance to take this out on the road. So you and I, we're gonna be experiencing everything together firsthand. And if we run into any hiccups, like always, when we get it back in the shop, we'll go ahead and take care of it. Let's see. Oh, this also has the tilt wheel, like that. And I'm gonna start out just getting the hang of her and then open it up a little bit towards the end of the video. Let's go for a ride. See the tach's working, the speedo's working. Really nice ride. Drives straight, nice and tight. No play in the steering wheel. This drives pretty much like it's brand new. And easy into the gears as well. Sounded solid going over there. I didn't hear a single a squeak or clank at all. This baby wants to go. It has a really awesome purr to it. Handles phenomenally. It looks beautiful. I'm excited to get on a little bit here. pass is always an easy one just to kind of get used to it. Like I always said, you never just want to go ahead and jump on the car without really knowing how it'll handle at higher speeds. But this one is turboed, so it definitely does not play around. Easy turning, I really enjoy that. You can just ghost in this thing. I absolutely love it. I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, subscribe, click that bell icon to turn on the notifications, and now's the time to head on over to volocars.com. Check out the pictures, read all about it, and give our sales team a call. As always, I appreciate you.